Hi everyone. If you're having troubles with your Discord app and it's not starting, then watch this video till the end because I'll be showing you how to fix the problem. So the first step is to open your task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape. Then make sure that you type Discord here. And if you see Discord here, make sure you right click it and end task. I already have it closed, so that's why it's not appearing here. Then you wanna press Windows plus R on your keyboard and make sure you write percentage app data percentage here, press OK. Make sure that you go to Discord here and make sure that you delete cache, code cache, and GPUCache, both of these three folders here. The next step is to open command prompt by writing command prompt on your search bar. Make sure that you run it as admin and then write sfc/scan now. Wait for a couple of minutes to let this finish. And then once it finishes, you're gonna close command prompt and then try to run your Discord. If it still doesn't fix your issue, then you're gonna press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Again, go to app data, click app data here, and then make sure you go to local and then Discord and make sure that you right click this update app, go to properties, and then go to compatibility and make sure that you run this program as an administrator. If that doesn't fix your issue, then you want to copy this directory by pressing copy here. And then you want to write Windows Defender Firewall on your start menu. And then on the left side, click allow an app or feature. And then click on change settings. And then click allow another app. And you wanna browse and then make sure that you copy the directory that we pasted earlier and select update. Press open, press add, and then make sure that you check on both of these private and public boxes. You're gonna press OK on the bottom of the screen. Alright, so this should fix your issue. If this still doesn't, then you wanna go to your start menu, write add or remove programs, and search for Discord over here. And then make sure that you reinstall Discord by pressing uninstall here and then restart your PC, then reinstall Discord, and then that should fix your issue. So that's it for the video, guys. If this video helped you, then make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you with the next one.